All right. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about none other than Hbar. Hbar has been on an absolute tear. I'm sure you guys know if you're a holder. It has been retesting some of the levels we've been speaking about. A lot of excitement, of course, for the price of Hbar. And, I'm sure anyone that's holding Hbar right now is losing sleep, or pretty much anything to do with crypto. People are losing sleep because the market has gone completely full send mode. Today is December the 3rd, and we have already seen so much happen, since the month of December has started. Today, you're seeing other coins popping off. IOTA is up another 30%. You're seeing Jasmy up. Tron is up 32.5%. You guys could get the idea. But yeah, if you're looking at Hbar right now, Hbar is up 9% on the daily time frame, with the price currently sitting at 31.8 cents. Absolutely insane to think about. Up 10% in Bitcoin comparative as well. Market cap at $12.2 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume doing exactly what we've been talking about at 7.8 billion. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So look at the dominance index, guys. The dominance index, of course, yesterday made its way down to 55%. Yes, you've heard that correct. We actually saw the dominance falling down to 55% for the first time since July. So since the summer of this year. And you could really see how fast the dominance is pulling. And of course, now it kind of makes sense why you're seeing so many coins outpacing the likes of Bitcoin. And even if the price of Bitcoin sees a downside or, complete fake out, you're not seeing, these coins are reacting to that. And, Hbar is the perfect example of that. And, the perfect example is just look at the daily time frame. Even though right now, if you're looking at Bitcoin, Bitcoin actually made its way down to $93,600 today. $93,600 today, and despite that fact, you're still looking at the dominance, even though it has increased a little bit, but you're still sitting at below 56%. That's crazy stuff that we're looking at. But let's take a look at what's happening with Hbar right now, because look at this, guys. Hbar retested the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level for the first time since 3 years. Yes, you can't make this up. And talking about all-time highs, who's to say? And I've been saying this literally from here. If you go watch my videos, I've been saying it since the accumulation zone. Who are we to say that, Hbar can't reach an all-time high? And this speaks for itself, right? Hbar literally retested the 39 cents price point for the first time since 3 years. Pretty much since the last 3 or 4 days, it has just gone complete parabolic. But yeah, you want to see, Hbar do exactly what it's doing. Obviously, if you are a holder, you are beyond excited. But yeah, it's doing everything. And yes, it is on its way to an all-time high. There's no question about that, because the fact that we retested the 38.2 in just a matter of a few days tells you everything. And, that FOMO factor, right? Now, actually, a lot of retail money is flowing into these coins. And it's not retail this time around involved. It's institutional interest. And what I'm also noticing, let me know if you guys agree with this as well. You're noticing stock people, retail that only focused on stocks before, they're actually entering crypto. They're actually entering crypto markets. You're seeing massive amounts of money flowing into the crypto space like we have never, ever seen before. And, tells you everything about how much FOMO factor there really is. But, look at this, guys. Yeah, the 39 cents retest yesterday is something that you cannot be ignoring. But I want you guys to focus on the hourly time frame right now, because we're only focusing on the daily time frame. Let's take a look at the hourly. So Hbar. Let's go hourly. There we are. Look at this beautiful bounce. Look at this. So pretty much since December 1st, where are we? December 1st, the price was hovering here, guys. So around the 17 cents price point. You saw Hbar go up 129% after that. Can I make this up? 129%. But remember that key resistance I was talking to you guys about constantly at the 27 cents price point? After Hbar broke out of that range, it went up 50% after that. So the fact that you're seeing these parabolic moves, the fact that, after breaking out, you're seeing these types of moves tells you everything you need to know how important these key resistance was, especially that resistance around the 15 cents. That 15 cents resistance, which we were talking about for so long, it literally seems like it's just back, like it's just so long ago. Remember those few retests I was speaking to you guys about, how important it was for the price of Hbar to break out? If that was your confirmation, Remember I talked to you guys about some people have confirmations? If that was your confirmation, you saw HBAR go up. You can't make this up right now. I'll show you guys. You saw HBAR go up 150% after that breakout. So the way it's currently holding, great. Of course, after having 150% increase after breaking out of the key resistance, you want to see a little bit of a consolidation. And of course, Bitcoin also saw a little bit of a minor pullback. So of course, it's not, it's not rocket science that we're going to see a little bit of, consolidation. While I can't speak. So even if it consolidates here, great, but the volume is too high right now. I do anticipate the 38.2 being retested once again. But even if we were to go down to the likes of 27 cents, if we were to see a big cool off, and even that wouldn't be a major cool off, that would only be a 16.83% drop if that were to happen. And honestly, if that happened, that would be a realistic thing and wouldn't be a bad thing for HBAR at all. But you want to see obviously that key resistance, which now will be support, holding as a support level. But even if we bounce back and forth within the 0.50, that would be great. You do need to see a little bit of a consolidation, but one thing I'm focusing on is the 24-hour trading volume and Bitcoin. If Bitcoin bounces back above 96K, dominance falls more, I think we are off to, a new yearly high yet again, and could potentially start heading towards the 23.6. A lot of interest because institutionals are focusing on HBAR as well. This time around, it's a US based company. You're seeing that narrative playing out. Obviously, if you got in HBAR early on, even at the beginning of last month, lock some profits in, have some exit strategy, have your exit strategy ready to go, because if you don't, you will get left behind. I've said this 1,000 times. During these times, you think that your price is just going to continue to go up. But if you don't have a way where you're going to be locking in profits, you will get left behind. I promise you. I'm kind of basing it off of my personal opinion. I've been in the space for 8 years, and that's something I want you guys to completely focus on. Have price targets where you're going to be locking in profits and stick with it, right? Let's say your price target is, maybe if it were to retest 44 cents key resistance, and you want to lock 10% of the profit, right? I'm just saying hypothetically, just for an example, if that is your target, stick to it. Not just wait, let me just wait for 57 cents. What if there is massive whales that start locking in profits, and it starts causing a snowball effect? So you want to lock in profits at the end of the day, despite the price going up, because that's where your targets need to be made by yourself, right? So that's what I would strongly encourage you guys to do. But what a massive day it has been for HBAR. People were laughing at us at this 15 cents key resistance, that HBAR is not going to move, XLM is moving, XRP is moving, and here we are making massive strides. But let me know down below what you guys think. I love each and every one of you guys. Your support means the world to me. You guys are absolutely amazing. I wish you guys the best. I wish you guys a lot of success. And yeah, we'll see you later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.